So today I've got this exciting new product from Rockarmor's Outback Traveller range, the 12-volt rice cooker. Why would you even need one? Well, it's one of those items you never thought you'd need until you own one. On my last trip out with the guys, I found it very handy, especially because I only had one gas burner. Rather than waiting for the sauce to be cooked, I had the rice and the sauce cooking at the same time, thanks to 12-volt power. First things first, don't be fooled by the name. It's not just a rice cooker. The Rockarmor rice cooker has options to cook other meals like noodles, soup, porridge, eggs, plus so much more. It's a 120 watt device, draws about 10 amps of power, so it's not going to heavily drain your battery. So what's included in the box? Well, obviously you're going to get your rice cooker. Comes with a tray, perfect for steaming. You got your measuring cup, spoon, most important of all, your 12-volt power cable, connects via a ciggy plug. And when you open it up, you got your bowl, and it also comes with these instructions. But don't worry about those. I'm going to show you how it's done. So there's two options of cooking rice with this. There's a standard rice cooker option, which may take up to 2 hours, just depending on how much rice you're cooking. However, on my last camping trip, I found a hack which may save you guys some time. Rather than using the standard rice cooker option, I chose to cook the rice using the noodle function, which I found only took 40 minutes to cook the rice. This rice cooker is suitable not just for campers, but also great for tradies, sales reps, or anyone frequently on the road and needs lunch on the go.